XRP to $40. Urgent. New judge ruling revealed. Massive XRP news. XRP is expected to hit $40 as a result of the recent judge ruling. It is no longer a surprise that there is a high level of volatility that affects the crypto market, and most crypto traders complain about it. The bulk of the complaints arise from the high level of volatility found in crypto asset trading, making the investment very risky for new investors. However, if you're always up to date on the latest trends and happenings in the crypto industry, then you would be well positioned when certain information was released to buy in or sell out and making some extra money. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We're going to talk about the fact that XRP is likely to hit $40. Now the question is this assumption realistic while Ripple is dealing with the lawsuit? If yes, then when is this going to happen? Moreover, we have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Now, there are some great developments in the world of XRP. The lawsuit filed by U.S. financial regulators has gotten XRP people's attention like never before. As a result of this lawsuit, the SEC continues to suffer backlashes in several different areas. In addition to that, what about the entire financial space, which conveniently raises the question if the SEC sued on its behalf? Most of you understand the fact that there is an even greater need to buy into these markets more as they experience some downturns, as well as to endure the dip as it comes. Even so, the best way to capitalize on your hurdling period is to stake those assets to earn rewards while you wait the longest, and with regards to the issues of liquidity and price stability associated with stable coins. A solution like a stable pool, which combines liquidity mining and crypto staking together, is the most viable. However, the above mention is ideal for any crypto enthusiast who wants to make some extra cash while hobbling through the downturn. You would only have to worry about the duration of time which the staked asset needs to be locked in, which will be determined by what the user can afford in terms of liquid assets. Then there's a stable pool, one of the best liquidity providers that serve as a decentralized exchange product that surpasses interchangeability. Additionally, the framework aims to help develop cross markets for stable coins such as USDT, USD, USDC, PAX, and TUSD soon. Through the use of liquidity pools, firms can offer crypto traders the opportunity to buy and sell digital assets in a permissionless and automated way, but also provide them with access to a variety of other features. Further, the platform also offers the ability to open fees on savings accounts for independent liquidity providers. If you're interested in this platform, which allows a user to participate as a trade-turn-liquidity provider on a decentralized exchange, the same trader will have the ability to stake a portion of their assets to provide liquidity for the set asset while trading. To begin, you'll need to go to www.stablepool.io, which is the platform's official website. Then relax and find out more by following the links provided. With cryptocurrencies continuing to gain mainstream adoption, the fast-growing digital asset classes surpassed $3 trillion worth of market value after less than a decade, whereas the Securities and Exchange Commission only recently began to examine the company. Furthermore, the credibility and integrity of the SEC are being questioned by members of Congress and other top financial individuals and organizations. So while the entire market is still in a bear state, XRP appears to be decoupled from Bitcoin. In comparison to Bitcoin, Ripple coins have been engulfed in the chart trend quite different from what Bitcoin advocates. There is a strong reason for this, namely the upcoming Sologenic airdrop to holders of XRP in Solos. Moreover, XRP has been generating much airtime following the news of this airdrop, since they know when the Sologenic platform becomes fully functional, people do not care about what the rest of the crypto market does. Despite being open to all, this recurring airdrop hosted by Sologenic is meant for particular cryptocurrency users, as holders of XRP and holders of the Solo coin are the only shareholders eligible for this airdrop. It appears, however, that there is a discrepancy right here because Sologenic is planning to distribute airdrops to beneficiaries by using a Snapchat calculation based on how many Solar tokens will be airdropped to XRP holders. Airdrop Sologenic is scheduled to occur on Thursday, January 20th, 2022 at 8 p.m. UTC. To put it another way, the more XRP and Solo tokens you own, the more Solo tokens will be airdropped into your wallet. Meanwhile, according to Judge Sarah Netburn, in the Ripple versus SEC case, both parties have agreed to submit something to the court by December 8th, 2021, and she recently passed an order stating that the court wants something by this date. This is very important because recently there was resolution that changed the privileges regarding what can be included in the privileged log for deliberative processes. Due to this, the magistrate presiding over facts discovery for the case ordered both Ripple and the SEC to take 5 days off and submit 3-page briefs by the end of the week. Additionally, this 3-page letter would complement their argument whether it is in support of or opposed to the defendant's motion to have the SEC provide these documents to the court. In light of this, we see we are far beyond that threshold, with the lawsuit still not making much news. On the following Monday, December 26, 2021, we also expected the SEC to respond to the judge with an exact date. Similarly, if we recall that case from earlier, we can recall when Ripple also filed a motion to have the court compel the SEC to produce documents in which they were discussing cryptocurrency. Also, how they came to their legal analysis about whether or not it was security revolving around Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP, and some of those documents. Accordingly, the defendant requested the plaintiff furnish them with binding evidence regarding how the Howey test might be applied in this case. The SEC has always insisted that we cannot show them to anyone because they're confidential. However, the SEC argues that few of the documents requested are relevant to the case at hand. Therefore, Ripple filed a counter movement saying, no, you must produce these documents as they are required by the court. Hence, once again, it's been a back-and-forth situation in regards to the release of these documents. In addition to his recent participation in the charade, Ripple has also consistently failed to grant the court's order to supply media recordings of internal Ripple meetings. Moreover, the SEC's request for fact discovery seeks detailed information on how the SEC will produce the documents relevant and how they concluded that XRP was a security. The request goes a step further with specific details on how the SEC will produce the documents. The SEC says that Ripple is setting up a double standard due to the similarity of XRP to other similar non-registered cryptos such as Ether and Bitcoin. The XRP sales were legal. So why would Ripple have to register with sales of Bitcoin if its creators of the first blockchain were not required to do so? The same goes for the creators of Ethereum. During a speech by former SEC Corporation Finance Division head Bill Hinman in 2018, the SEC seems to declare Bitcoin and Ethereum complaint cryptocurrencies. Hinman's words were also used by Ripple's attorneys against the commission because XRP was used to finance the initial build-out of Ethereum's platform, as Ether was used by Ethereum's creators. So why is this an issue? At this point, the SEC's actions just don't make sense. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of this content as such. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new value. We hope that our video is helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP hitting $40. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.